Hello children, this is second standard English. This is second standard English, second lesson. Fun indoors. Fun indoors. If on that day is Sunday, on that time, which games you have to play? Okay? The games which you have to play, the games will give us lot of happiness. Okay children, in the previous class, in the previous period you have studied. Okay, here they have given some questions. We will send you the answers afterwards. Page number 22. Page number 22 you have to open. Here some grammar points they have given. Silent letter words. Silent letter words. Read the following words from the lesson. Read the following words from the lesson. K-N-O-W, no. S-I-G-N-E-D, signed. See here children. Here K, here G. The word no has the letter K in it, but it is pronounced as no. Only the pronounce is no, no. That like we have to pronounce. But when we have to write, when we want to write that word, on that time we will use to write K-N-O-W. But when we want to pronounce, on that time we will only say that no. The letter K is silent in the word K-N-O-W. Okay? Remember this one children. The K is here silent word. The K is silent in this word. See here children, next one. Similarly, the word sign, S-I-G-N. The sign has the letter G in it, but is pronounced as sign, S-I-N-A. This like we have to pronounce this word, but here the G is silent. The letter G is silent in the word sign. The letter G is silent in the word sign. When we have to pronounce this word, on that time we will say this one sign. But when we want to write this word, on that time we will write S-I-G-N-E-D. Otherwise S-I-G-N that like, but the pronounce is sign. This like so many words we have to pronounce. Silent words it will come. A silent letter is a letter that is not heard when the word is pronounced but is included while writing. See here children. A silent letter, here K, here G, is a letter that is not heard. When that word we have to pronounce, we can't heard that letter, but when the word is pronounced but is included while writing. When we want to write the word, on that time we will write that letter, but we not heard when we pronounce that word. Okay? Say the word aloud and circle the letter that is silent. One has been done for you. See here so many pictures are here. So many pictures they have given. And their names also is there. In that words, some silent letters are there. In this word, which letter is silent? When we have to pronounce, on that time the letter is silent. We not heard that letter sound. So, on that letter we have to circle in this word. Okay? See here children, so many words are here. First one we will see K-N-E-E, knee. In this word, the K is a silent letter that is not heard when the word is pronounced. Okay, children? K, already they have given here. They have circled K letter. The second one, T-H-U-M-B. T-H-U-M-B, here they have given word. See here the B is a silent letter. That is not heard when the word is pronounced. Thumb. Here the B letter is silent. It is not heard when we pronounce the word. Okay. Next one, knuckle. K-N-U-C-K-L-E. Knuckle. These are the knuckles. See here. When you are holding your hand, fold it like on that time. These are the knuckles. Here the K is a silent letter. The K is silent letter. It is not heard when the word is pronounced. Here W-R-I-S-T, wrist. W-R-I-S-T, wrist is there. The W is a silent letter that is not heard when the word is pronounced. You have to circle the W letter. Here, write. W-R-I-T-E, write. The W is the silent letter that is not heard when the word is pronounced. Here, W-R-A-P, wrap. The letter W is a silent that is not heard when the word is pronounced. S-I-G-N, sign. Here G is a silent letter that is not heard when the word is pronounced. W-A-L-K, walk. L is the silent letter. It is not heard when the word is pronounced. Now, G is a silent letter. G is a silent letter. G is a silent letter. It is not heard when the word is pronounced. T-A-L-K, talk. L is the silent letter. It is not heard when the word is pronounced. Here K-N-O-C-K, knock. K is the silent letter. It is not heard when the word is pronounced. S-T-A-L-K, L is the silent letter. It is not heard when the word is pronounced. Gnat. G is the silent letter when the word is pronounced. C-O-M-B, B is the silent letter. It is not heard when the word is pronounced. L-A-M-B, lamb. M is the silent letter. It is not heard when the word is pronounced. This like when we want to read these words on that time, so many letters, they have silent. While writing they will come, but when we want to read on that time, some letters are silent. It means not heard that letters sound. Okay? This like we will read and we will understand. We can understand this like when we want to read the words on that time, which letter is silent in this word. Okay? I know you have already understand. Okay? Next one, children. Here word puzzle. Word puzzle is there. There are many 3 letters and 4 letter words that can be made out of the word imagination. They have given here one word. You have to build so many words. Use 3 and 4 letters. Using 3 and 4 letters, you have to make so many words from this word. See how many you can write. 2 have been done for you. Here 3 letter word 1 has done. 4-letter word one has done. These are the examples. The word they have given here, imagination. Imagination they have given here. Okay. From this word you have to use 3 to 4 letters. You have to make some words. It means word building. It is word puzzle. See here children. I will write one by one. You observe this properly. Afterwards you have to write in also. M-A-N. M-A-N. 3-letter word you have to write here. M-A-N. A-N-T. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. We have made from this word 2 words. 3-letter, 2 words we have made already. Next, T-I-N. T-I-N. Tin. M-A-T. M-A-T. Mat. See here. O-A-T. O-A-T. Oat. M-A-G. M-A-G. Mag. This like use 3 to 4 letter from this word, made some words. Made some words, okay? Make from this and this word you have to use and make some words. 4-letter words. Main. Here 4 letter are there. We have to use here 4 letter. G-A-I-N. G-A-I-N. Gain. Next. T-A-I-N. Tail. M-A-G-I. Maggie. G-A-M-I. Gammy. N-A-N-I. Nani. This like use these letters from this word, make some more words. 3 and 4 letter words you have to make. This like you have to write. Okay children. Next, language. Countable and uncountable. Countable and uncountable nouns. Already you know what is the meaning of noun. Noun is a name of person, place, things or an animal. Okay children. Here countable and uncountable. See here, countable means things that can be counted. Things that can be counted using numbers. Things which are able to count. They have singular and plural forms. They are singular and plural forms. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns means things that cannot be counted using numbers. Things that cannot be counted using numbers. They do not have plural form. I will tell you one by one. Millie and Billy each ate 2 pancakes and drank some milk. See here. Here 2. They have mentioned here already 2. Here some milk. Can you count the milk, children? No. It is impossible to count the milk because it is a liquid. Milk is a liquid, so we do not count. We can't count this one. Okay? But pancakes, these are the pieces. We can count these. Here they have given already 2. But we do not count. We cannot count the milk because it is a liquid. See here, now answer these questions. How many pancakes did each one eat? How many pancakes did each one eat? Here, Millie and Billy each ate 2 pancakes. Eat 2. We can count the number of pancakes each one ate. 1 ate. Okay? Pancake is a countable noun. Pancake is a countable noun it is. How much milk did they milk? How much? Some milk only. We cannot count the number of milk, as milk is a liquid and cannot be counted. So, milk is an uncountable noun. So, milk is an uncountable noun. Countable nouns are things that can be counted using numbers. They have singular and plural forms. The singular form can use a or an. For example, a man, 2 pancakes and 3 pencils. A man, 2 pancakes and 3 pencils. This like we have to count in the singular form. Uncountable nouns are things that cannot be counted using numbers. They do not have plural forms. For example, little water, some milk and bar of chocolate. See here, little, some and bar. We cannot count because so many things are in liquid. Okay, chocolate will be, but chocolate, how many chocolates we have to count? Only 1 chocolate is there. From that chocolate we do not count. Bar chocolate, that is bar of chocolate, we do not count. Okay, see here children, here they have given, read the sentence and write. See if the underline the word is countable noun and you if it is an uncountable noun. 1 they have done. The children fell asleep. How many children? 2. So it is countable. They have written here. See, we bought large bottles of water. Water is underline word you have to see here. Water is uncountable. So you have to write here you. 3rd one, use less oil for cooking. Oil, it is liquid. We do not count. Can't count this one. I ate 4 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can count. Able to count this one. So it is countable right here. See. Add some more salt to the vegetables. Salt. We cannot count. This is uncountable. I bought 5 books from the shop. So how? 5 books. It is countable. That's too much cheese on the pizza. You have to count the cheese. So countable. Cheese on the pizza. I have 1 sister. 1 sister. How many sister? 1. Only 1 sister. That we count. That we can count. So you write here. See, in this period we have studied countable and uncountable nouns and silent letters. Okay children, in the next period we will study about singular and plural nouns. Okay children, which we have circled letters and written here the words. You have to write this, copy this neatly in your textbook. Okay children, take care.